Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. Today I show you another video for a new AI tool, and with this AI tool you can create amazing videos. Just have a look here. And with this AI tool you can create your own videos from text, from image and with predefined characters. And it's really cool. I really like this one. You can see here a woman sing a song all alone in a studio. It's just from a text prompt created, just from this short text prompt, and I really love it. Now give it a try. Go here to create. At first you can log in for free with your Gmail address, then go to create. You can see we can create the image from a text. Let's say some cute puppies at the beach. You can give a negative prompt here. I don't want to see water there, I'm just playing in the sand. Let's see what we get. Inspiring prompt to dual clips. We can activate this here if you want to add a style here, realistic anime, 3D animation or OG. And here the aspect ratio 16:9, and give it a try. And now we got the final video here. It's just zooming a little bit, not too much movement. You can upscale, you can retry it. Now we can give it another try. Now the video was upscaled, have a look here. But it is just zooming. So I don't know why. But we can try another one. When have a look at the other images here. It's just an uploaded image here without any prompt. And this image was also uploaded to detectives Captain Robert Bob Turner, white old-aged with grey hair, detective Marcus Mac Taylor, middle-aged Afro-American in a thrilling car chase through the city streets. Okay, it is not bad, but we can also try to upload a video. Go to create and then image. You can add an image. I already prepared one. This image I made with AI. See, you can't drop the image here. We go there. Choose the image. A cute little plush, little fluffy. Teddy cow is looking around the big city. We can change the strength of the motion. HD quality and create. And here is the image. Okay, this is a little bit too much movement, I think. Strength of motion we can change a little bit. We can do it again. With the same image. Cute fluffy teddy cow is looking around the big city. Strength of motion, I think we can reduce that a little bit. Maybe like that. Now we got the video here. Oh no. When I click directly on upscale, you can see that it starts directly. I can't change anything. Go to retry. You can see when click on retry is the same thing like upscale. So I don't know. That makes me a little bit confused. But now let's create something from a character now. Here you can add a character, and I already added my personal photo there to create my own character. And now this character, you can select a character here. And let's say a good looking guy is checking his phone in the gym. Auto character prompt. And create. Alright, and now I got my video here. And look there, this character looks like me. And of course I'm lazy in the gym at this moment. I'm just checking my phone, and you can see it doesn't look so bad. You can see here the thumb is moving and a little bit of camera movement. So it is not bad, this video. And then if you're happy with your video, you can download it here. And yeah, it is okay, this tool, and I think they will improve it very soon. But you know, in my videos I do not show you all the pink world, because I'm testing sometimes the AI tools, the new AI tools that I found. And yeah, of course it is not one that is perfect at the moment. I recommend to use Haiper.ai. The link you can also find in the video description, and this is my favorite AI tool to create video from text and also video from images. With Haiper.ai I made an advertising for a new ROM, and this is really cool in the old pirate style. Let me show you here. Yeah, I really love it. With Haiper.ai you can do something like that. And you see the pirate, he has got my face. And in the next tutorial I show you how to create an ad like that, and also how to change the face in the video. So if you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you soon. Bye!